Hello everyone, I got an unboxing for y'all. My Alabama bestie said she was sending me over some things, so this is one of the packages, I think. So let's get into it and see what it is. Okay. I'm using my scissors because I don't want to use my other thing, my little cutters I have, because I don't want to cut anything. So I'm just trying to be careful at cutting this bag open. Like I said, I don't want to make a mistake and cut something. So let's see. I'll cut it right across here. I love the packaging on here. It is so pretty. Look at this. The background is pink, and then yeah, it is so pretty. Hope you can see it. But yeah, the background is pink, and then it has pink flowers on it and everything. It's so pretty. So yeah, let's see what it is. Oh, let's see. All right. It's TJ Maxx. All right. Let's open it up. Oh, look at this. It is the tote bag. Look. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Look at that. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to have her. I hadn't seen her down here anywhere. And for those that want to know, it's $34.99 at TJ Maxx. And then it has the chain strap on here. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. This is such a pretty color. That's the bottom of her. Oh, she is so pretty. And look at the front. It has the cursive writing, Juicy Couture in cursive. Oh, and then it has the little diamonds in there, little studs in there. She is so pretty. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I am so excited. Y'all just don't know. I love it. And then the inside. Take the paper out the inside. Oh wow, it is stuff. And this is the inside of her. She has that gothic print, Juicy Couture print inside. And then the back has a zipper pocket in the back. And then in the front of the bag has a slip pocket. I have two slip pockets in the front, right here. One here and one here. She is so pretty. I'm going to put the paper back inside of her so I can let y'all see it one more time. I am so excited to have her. I'm telling y'all. Oh my goodness. Gold hardware. She is so pretty, y'all. Oh, I just love it, love it, love it. She is so pretty. That hot pink color is so pretty. Let me tell y'all the name of her. Let me see her here. It says Juicy Beach Couture Tote. And the color is pink flash. Okay. So that is I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that's the name of the bag. But yeah, she is so pretty. Well, I am so happy to have her, and I'm glad that I was able to share my unboxing with y'all. All right? So until next time, everyone have a good day. Bye.